welcome back to my channel. As you already can see, I'm not in the place where I shoot. I'm in my kitchen. Yes. So in the last video, I put a poll in the video and asked what should I do next. So you guys voted for quarantine video. So in this video, I'm going to cook. Yes, I do cook, so you don't have to worry. I won't put anything into fire. So in this video, I'm going to cook white sauce pasta. So let's go. So I'm taking this macaroni, that's what I found in this time, so don't judge. Now we will add water in it, salt and oil, and put it on the gas stove. For veggies, I cutted these onion and capsicum. You can cut any veggie you want, and we'll fry these veggies on separate pan with oil and a pinch of salt. You can add ginger garlic paste if you want. So here the show begins. Now we will add butter in this kadhai, flour, and a cup of milk to make the white sauce. Stir it nicely to remove all the lumps of flour which made. So here I added the fried veggies in it, and so now I added the boiled macaroni in it and will stir it, and here you go. So here our bad boy is cooked. Now you can serve it in the fancy bowl. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. If you enjoyed, do like this video, comment down below what do you guys think, what should I do next. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, do follow me on my social accounts. Bye bye.